All right, it is January 21st, 2025. My name is James Stacy. We're here in Foley, Alabama, down in downtown Foley, Alabama. During one of the biggest snow events in probably 50 years that have happened down here on the Gulf Coast. It's very rare. Just to give you an idea, we're in downtown Foley. Traffic, as you would expect, has been super light. This is right here. This is 98. We've got the Foley Elementary School right here. It is unbelievable. I don't think I've ever witnessed anything like this in all my years living here. I'm from the area. As you see, it's 1:32. We have another 5 hours of this expected. I'm from the area. I've lived here my whole life, pretty much. And, a certain place is frozen over. If it's snowing down here, and we are getting some major snow. So I wanted to record this for posterity's sake. Foley Middle School right there. It is a winter wonderland. They've kept all the bus doors open over there for some reason. I'm not exactly sure why. Maybe to keep condensation from building up. Who knows? Maybe it's to give people a place to get out of the cold, or at least get out of the snow if they're unfortunate to be homeless at this time of the year. Because it's, not like 11 months out of the year, it's perfect weather. So, as you can tell, it is coming down hard. It's almost like whiteout conditions. You really can't see anything. Just to give you an idea, I'm gonna go do it. Look at that. I am standing on Highway 98. This road is so busy that it's usually bumper to bumper the entire way. And here we are, we're standing on it. Just to give you an idea, we're at South Oak and West Laurel Avenue, the intersection there. We got some vehicles right here. Everybody's probably thinking I'm live streaming, which I'm not. I'm just recording. So, 2 trucks that we've seen so far. But yeah, crazy.